Once upon a time, there lived a great saint in a forest. One day, while he was in deep meditation, a small mouse fell on his lap. It had been dropped by a crow who was carrying it in its beak. "Please save me," pleaded the mouse. The saint felt pity for the poor mouse. He gently lifted the mouse and started nurturing it. One day, the mouse was chased by a cat. He ran to the saint in fear. With his miraculous powers, the saint turned the mouse into a cat. The mouse turned cat lived happily with the saint for some time. But, one day, it was chased by a dog. The scared cat ran to the saint again. The saint turned the cat into a dog. The dog was very faithful and followed the saint everywhere. One night, while the dog was lying outside the hut, a tiger growled at it. The dog ran into the saint trembling in fear. The saint converted the dog into a tiger. The mouse turned tiger started to live in the forest without any fear. But, the saint continued to treat him like a mouse. Whenever the animals in the forest saw the tiger, they said, "The mouse has been made a tiger by our saint. So, we need not be afraid of this tiger." The mouse turned tiger realized that he will have to live with the stigma of being a mouse until he got rid of the saint. He went towards the saint to kill him. The great saint read his thoughts before the tiger could attack him. The angry saint turned the tiger back to a mouse as it was before. Moral of the story: don't bite the hand that feeds you. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Please like and subscribe for more fascinating and exciting stories.